Hey there, curious minds and super parents. Are you ready to spark your child's imagination and take their love for science to the next level? Well, look no further. Presenting Spark Squad Science Enthusiasm Workshop, a thrilling, hands-on learning adventure designed just for kids aged 8 to 14. I'm Akshara Sri, the founder of Spark Squad, and I believe that every child has the potential to change the world through science. That's why we are bringing you this amazing 2-month online workshop that will take your child from being just curious to being truly creative. And guess what? The cost? Just 100 rupees. And that's not all. Every single rupee collected will go to charity. Now that's a win-win, isn't it? Now let's talk about the biggest highlight. At the beginning of the second month, we'll be building a multi-purpose satellite together. Yes, your child will get hands-on experience in real-world scientific innovation. And for the brightest, most enthusiastic young minds, we have a surprise. Some of the fortunate and outstanding participants who show exceptional skill, talent, and interest will be selected to become junior scientist members of the Spark Squad. How cool is that? All sessions will be conducted online on Zoom Meet, so your child can learn from the comfort of home. And to join, it's super simple. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to register. But hurry up, seats are limited. So parents, if you want your child to think beyond boundaries, experiment, innovate, and be part of a better future, this is the perfect opportunity. Let's ignite the next generation of scientists and innovators together. Join Spark Squad today. Blast off!